to Lele's Kitchen with me, Lele. Today I am so happy to show you how to do spicy chicken wings. These are our chicken wings. I have already cut them into into half and washed them. They are clean. These are our spices. We have our Spanish paprika, that is a 1/4 teaspoon. We have our chicken masala, that is a 1/2 teaspoon. We have a teaspoon of garam masala, salt, and a heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic turmeric paste, and a few tablespoons of oil. Simple. So what you're going to do, we'll mix them all inside, and make sure your hands are clean. My hands are clean. I had already washed before I started this. Put your ginger garlic turmeric paste and a few drops of a few tablespoons of let's say like three of cooking oil. Then now I'll go in with my hands. You marinate it and let it sit for like now, because I don't have luxury of time, I'll do it for 30 minutes. But when you're doing it without any pressure, you can just do it and leave it overnight. You can put the spices and leave them in the fridge overnight. They'll have infused so well. So when you'll be preparing your chicken wings, they are going to be so nice. The spices will have infused inside. I'm going to cover it, leave it for 30 minutes inside the fridge. I am preparing the sauce that I am going to use it in my chicken wings. This is my spring onions. Then inside I will put my tomato sauce. Then my chili. Then a little bit of sugar. Mix well and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now we are deep frying our chicken wings. Ile natakia smart. See how our spicy chicken wings are. They came out so well. You can see our spicy sauce and our marinated chicken wings. Very nice. They're finger licking meat. Please try it. It's very nice. And let me know in the comment section how it is. And also, please, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to share, like, and subscribe to Anne Lele YouTube channel. And also remember to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.